skyscrapers causing vertigo. The countdown begins in Tokyo. 27 days alone means 20 million ways to cope without you.
Let's start with compound interest. Compound interest is calculated just on original amount, which is principal, but also on the interest that already has been earned over time. This causes the money to grow faster compared to simple interest, which only calculate on a principal amount. As you can see in this slide, this is a formula for finding the future value. Annuity. What is annuity? Annuity is a series of periodic payment or deposit made in equal amount at equal interval of time. Annuity concept enable people to plan for the future in the term of investment and saving. Annuity calculation is divided into the two, which is planning for retirement and investment. Now, let us talk about formula for this topic. As you can see on this slide, this is the formula that we will gonna use, where S is used to find a future value. A we use to finding present value. However, we also have the formula for the interest earned.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. Now, I would like to present how to answer the question. First, we have to read the question. Mr. Razif invested 35,000 in a platform A and 55,000 in platform B for a duration of 10 years and 8 years, respectively. Platform A offered an interest rate of 4.23% compounded annually. Then, platform B offered 2.03% compounded quarterly. For platform A, P equals Rm 35,000 ringgit, T equals 10, K equals 0.0423, M equals 1, N equals MT. We fill that and then we get 10 for N. So I equals K divide M. So we fill it and we get I equals 0.0423. Okay, for the platform B, P equals Rm 55,000 ringgit, so T equals 8. K equal 0.0203, so M equal 4, N equal MT. So we put in, fill in to M and T, we can get 32, so N equal 32. I equal K divide M, so we fill it, the I get 0.0203. After we list out the information from the question, we just use the formula to get the answer. So for both of platform, we use the same formula. Okay, so here for platform A, we get S1. The S1 equal Rm 52965 and 79 ringgit. So for platform B, we get S2. So S2 equal Rm 17637 and 71 ringgit. The total we have to combine the S1 and S2. So the total S is S1 plus S2. Total S is Rm 70603 and 50 cents. After 16 months, the interest rate changed to 3.25% compounded quarterly for platform A and 2.1% compounded biannually for platform B. 1 moment, find the total amount accumulated from both investment at the end of the investment period. So first thing first, we have to list out the information from the question. After we list out, we see and just use the formula and fill it into a formula. For platform A, S1 equal 35,000 times 1 plus 0.0423 power 5. So the answer is Rm 45,000 and 55 ringgit 81 cents. So for S2, just do the same thing and then we can get the Rm 55,690 ringgit and 69 cents. After we list out the information for platform B, we solve the problem using the formula. And to find the S1, we use the formula and get 60,598 ringgit and 90 cents. For S2, we use the same formula and we can get the S2 equal Rm 70,671 ringgit and 71 cents. So the S total is either SA, which means the platform A plus platform B. So we can get the total is Rm 68,291 ringgit and 40 cents. For Roman 2, find the total interest earned from both banks. So we just use the formula is I equal S minus P for platform A and platform B to get the interest. So for platform A, we can get the interest is Rm 55,690 ringgit and 69 cents. For platform B, we can get Rm 2,671 ringgit and 71 cents. After that, we use the same formula, which is I equal S plus P to get the total of interest. So the answer we get is Rm 80,291 ringgit and 40 cents.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm gonna be presenting question B. For question B, 18 months ago, Jeremy began depositing RM200 at the end of each month into Bank Umay, which pays 5.4% interest compounded monthly. Today, just after making his last deposit, he plans to withdraw all the money to contribute towards the 10% down payment on a new car costing RM85,000. The information we are given is T equals to 18.3, R equals to 200, K equals to 0.054, M equals to 12, DP equals to 10% or 0.1, CP equals to RM85,000. Next, we need to find I. I equals K over M, so we get 0.054 over 12. N equals MT, so we get 18 for N. A. Calculate the total amount he can withdraw from Bank Umay. In this question, we can use the formula feature value. So, our total amount for question A is 3,741 ringgit and 6 cents. B. Determine the amount of interest earned from his investment in Bank Umay. In this question, we can use the formula I equals S minus NR. So, the total amount of I will be 141 ringgit and 6 cents.
Question C. Jeremy plans to take a loan from a finance company to finance the remaining 90% of the car price. The finance company charges interest at 3.4% compounded monthly, and the loan is to be repaid over a 9-year period. Question Roman 1. Find the amount of the monthly payment. The question asks about the monthly payment. So first, we have to find the loan amount A. To find A, we use formula %dp times CP. Our %dp is 90 and our CP is Rm 85,000. We have to change the %dp to decimal number, so it will be 0.9. Replace the amount we get from the question to the formula. Then we insert the amount to the calculator to get the answer. A equal to 0.9 times Rm 85,000. The answer for A is Rm 76,500. Next, to find the monthly payment R, we use the annuity formula. A equal R1 minus 1 plus I to the power of minus N over I. Our A is Rm 76,500. The formula for I is K over M, which is K equal to 0.034, M equal to 12. For N, we use formula M times T. M is 12 and T is 9, so 12 times 9 is equal to 108. Calculate it using calculator, then the answer we get for monthly payment is Rm 823 and 22 cents. Question Roman 2. Calculate the amount of interest charged for this car loan. To find the total interest, we use the formula I equal to NR minus A. Our N is 108. Our R is Rm 823 and 22 cents. Our A is Rm 76,500. Substitute the values into the formula. After that, we calculate it. The total interest paid over 9 years is Rm 12,407 and 76 cents. Question Roman 3. If Jeremy fails to make the first 4 monthly payments, calculate how much he should pay on the 5th payment to settle all the outstanding areas. Hence, determine the interest charged on the late payment. To find this, we use the future value of an annuity formula, which is Sn equal to R1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 over I. Our R is Rm 823 and 22 cents. Our I is 0.034 over 12 and our N is 5 because the question asks how much he should pay on the 5th payment. Then we insert the values to the formula. After calculation, we got the S for 5th payment is Rm 4,139 and 49 cents. Then to find the interest paid, we use formula I equal to S minus NR. Our S that we got earlier, which is Rm 4,139 and 49 cents. Our N is 5 and our R is Rm 823 and 22 cents. We insert it to the formula. I equal to 4,139 and 49 cents minus 5 times 823 and 22 cents. So the interest accumulated after 5 years is Rm 23 and 39 cents. Question Roman 4. Immediately after making payments for 5 years, Jeremy wishes to settle the loan in full. Determine the amount that he needs to pay. The total number of payment is 108. After 5 years, the borrower has completed 60 payments. How to calculate the remaining number of payments is, we have to subtract the total payment with how much the borrower has completed the payment. So 108 minus with 60. Then we got the N is 48. Now, we use the present value formula of the remaining annuity. AN equal to R1 minus 1 plus I to the power of minus N over I. Our R is RM 823 and 22 cent. Our I is 0.034 over 12. And as we all know, our N is 48. Insert the information to the formula, then calculate it. So the outstanding loan balance after 5 years is RM 36,896 and 58 cent.